Yeah. Oh yes. Karibu mate itoke ba. Karibu mate itoke.
Anya pilipili. Anya mdafu.
Guys. Ndio tutaromboza hiyo. Yote. Why are you laughing? The best cup of tea.
Cup of tea?
No, it's a cup of tea plus kebab. Look at it, kebabs. You want a cup of tea?
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. First and foremost, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who has supported us, whether it's by sharing our content, leaving comments, reposting, or, most importantly, subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Be sure to follow us on all our other social media platforms at Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle.
So, what's up, good people? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're amazing. Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle again. She's here. Mom of two, wife to one, queen of recipes, as she always says. She's about to grace your amazing screens with mautamu. Shaisikia utamu well. Lakini saa hii naongelelea utamu wa chakula because we mautamu na jikoni, naongelelea mautamu ya chakula. Tokeni huko. So guys, this amazing day, I'm about to grace your amazing screens with an amazing recipe. Kitu moja rahisi sana tunaonanga huko nje but hatujui kunaendanga aje. So guess what we are doing today in the count of 3, 2, Mama. 1. Mama. And we are preparing kebabs. So my ingredients of the day are over here. The most basic recipe is a lot of onions. As you all see, I have a lot of bulb onions and a lot of spring onions. And also you have to do a lot of coriander. So with the spices, you can do spices of your choice. For me, I'm very simple. I just need salt, curry powder, and paprika. That's all what I'm using for my recipe. So on to the first step. I'm adding my cooking oil. Then I'm gonna add the bulb onion. Then I'm going to add garlic. So, at this point, our onions are ready. I'm going to add them onto the minced meat. I'm adding raw spring onions. I'm adding coriander. I'm adding curry powder, salt, paprika. Salt and paprika, 1 teaspoonful. Curry powder, 1 tablespoonful. By there, the meat was 1 kg of minced meat. Adding half cup of breadcrumbs. This is exactly 1 cup. So give this a whisk until they properly mix. Kabisa. This is how it looks like. So we are proceeding to the next step, where we now want to make the balls. Then we roll them into nice kebab shapes. So you can just do this with your bare hands, but I'm of the opinion, for us to get even sizes, we measure our meat using this measuring cup over here. So this is just for presentation purposes, has nothing to do with taste. So you try and come up with a ball first, then gently you begin to roll. So my rolled kebabs are here. At least I tried to come up with even shapes. So these are our eggs. Next thing, I'm going to dip each of these kebabs in here, then into the hot cooking oil. If bubbles appear like the way they are appearing, it means your cooking oil is ready. For me, my hands are clean, so I'm just going to use my bare hands. That has been it about preparing kebabs. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Until we meet on the next one, bye guys.
Why are you laughing? He's the best tea. Best cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
The cup
Pini makojo.
The cup of tea. No, it's a cup of tea plus kebab. You got it, Kebabs. Yeah. Oh yes. Karibu mate itoke ba. Karibu mate itoke. You want a cup of tea? Ndio umesema is a cup of tea.
Ndio umesema.
Oh, it's a cup of tea. It's a cup of tea, not cup of. So, that's what I'm saying. It's tea.
He knows why I'm laughing.
Wacheka tu. Na bado naenda kupea kebab ingine huko. You love a taste of the cup of tea now. You unasema.
Hiyo nimezoea.
Thank you for watching. Let's continue eating. You check out the next video on the Mama Jaden's Kitchenette. Or check the other videos that are already uploaded. See you guys here.